Welcome to my live broadcast. Bank Nifty opened with a gap up. I think the high of the Bank Nifty was 48,800. If I go back to the spot chart to understand where did we open, interesting. On the spot, it is well way below close or near to yesterday's close. And today's high. Today's high is 48,477 and open is 48,374. It opened way below yesterday's one, but in futures it is showing different. This is a clear cut sign. This is a clear cut sign of downtrend today for sure. Because if you might have observed, I'll try to remove this and see 1 second. There was a doji formation which indicated indecision ideally, but after such a big run, if you find a sold, doji kind of thing, it clearly indicates a down signal that the market can go sideways. If you find a sold, so I would expect market if today if it forms a red candle, we are in for a reversal till again 127%. Or if we do go up because an indecision can move the market either ways, but Ideally, a gap up with the doji shows that the target on the upper side is 48,909 on
It's time to
spot.
start your workday. Have a great day. It's 9:20 a.m. It's time to start
So
with its
we need to
huge.
wait and watch
Let's
to
take a break for
understand, see
10
to, but
minutes.
how the market is going to move. But this is a very clear cut sign of needing to be careful. So that explains my, see, the upside target is capped at 48,900. With the doji formation yesterday, I have my own doubts. All this is analysis. If we switch to our charts, let's see what is happening. This particular strategy, as you can see, is built on 15 minutes. This is 5 minutes. As for me, I guess we are looking at a clear cut downtrend. Today we might be heading towards downside more often than not. Today, this particular strategy has not given still any signal. We'll see if there are any signals generated on any other strategies. Hmm. We might get a short signal here today. I'll try to show you also uh, how the trades are automatically taken once the signal is generated. So if you need to, okay, I'll be showcasing that as well. No trades still got executed. Let me also make things ready there. We'll be watching to see if there are any trades that are being taken in the 5 minutes space. For now, it's a clear. On the futures, we had a huge gap up, and then we started retracing down. On the spot, we did not open a gap up, but we opened gap down, and looks like we will be heading downside. Let's see how it works out. Mm, I'm not sure if there is a chat. How do I upload the chat? Mm, Sorry. So let's wait for a signal to be generated. This is which we can understand how the market is going to behave. The volumes are quite less. That has been the trend for the last 2 days. But I guess today we might be seeing a downtrend. primarily because of the way the yesterday's one-day candle formed on one-day chart on spot. I just hope. I would request you people, whoever is watching, to give a like to the stream. It would help for the promotion purposes, so that many people, it will reach to many people, and they can start watching and start making money through our strategy. If you like what you are watching, if you like the automated way, you can subscribe to our strategy. I will pin to the link below. I'll pin the request you people, whoever is watching, to give a like. Okay. I'll pin the strategy link in the chat window, and you can subscribe to the strategy and deploy your link your rather demat account to the strategy as per the requirement, and then even you don't need to sit and they do daily trading. Market, the system has not generated any signal till now. We have the alerts ready in trading view. We have these strategies which we have built. 6 EMA buy in short has been inspired by our power of stocks, Mr. Subhashish. I made that instead of 5 EMA, I made it as a 6 EMA. Market did come down to below R1. Has tried to broke the R1, and then now is going above, which probably the R1 might act as a support. 48,600 on futures. If we go down to the spot chart and see what is the situation there, interesting. So We have a signal generated just now. Let me go and see where is it first of all. This is an okay. We have a short signal generated, I guess, in our 5 minutes chart. Um, yes, we have a signal. It's a bit delayed. It is showing a bit delayed. That's it. And it's a long alert that got generated, and as you can see, I think let me just check that. Yes, as you can see, the trade has been generated, taken at 48 got 300 call, 3rd January at 456 rupees, one lot. That's how the automated. I mean, you don't need to do anything. The moment the signal generates, whatever happens, the system will take the trade. And this is only to showcase how it works for you people. So, as you can see, the signal got generated at 9:25, 9:25, 9:30 rather, 9:30 a.m. and we have a trade over here which got executed exactly at 9:30, 2 seconds delay of 2 seconds. So that's how well these things work. Let me see if we have any other signal anywhere generated. This is interesting. Okay, 29th. Why am I not getting any signal? Let me last this. There is no data with here, maybe something is wrong here. Okay. It just took a bit of time, I guess. Okay. Now I will have to apply the strategies again on this. Something wrong. Something is wrong is happening with this chart. I'm not exactly sure. Yeah. Now it is set. Okay. Now signals are generated here, and only in 15 minutes. Sorry. Let me move this chart to 15 minutes for us to keep observing it. The 0% line has held. That is the yesterday's low. for now on spot. Mm. So on 15 minutes, we don't see any signals yet, and which is appropriate. Market is not on a clear trend for now, so I'm okay with that. Let's see what is happening to our 5 minutes where the buy signal got generated. I think we are doing good here. Let's go down here. Where are we? Yeah, we are doing good. Whoa. So if you look at it, we entered this trade at sorry 456 rupees. We are trading at 470 odd. I mean, we went up till 476 something like that. Let's see whatever happens. And there's an inbuilt trailing stop loss, which, as you can see, this particular pink color. The moment the candle touches any of the stop loss as well, it will hit. And also, we have inbuilt stop losses once the strategy has inbuilt stop losses. Once it achieves a certain amount of profit, it again depends on various other factors. What kind of profit? What kind of when there's a huge volatility, the profits, the stop loss, trailing stop loss would kick in at once the profit reaches 45 rupees target. But if the volatility is less, then it would wait for 81 rupees odd. So we went to a profit of nearly 200 plus rupees and now have come down to 9 rupees and 4. Moving back into negative as well. Great. With the volatility being there, markets can behave randomly. Let's see where we end up with the signal. We have basically three strategies built. One is the 5 minutes, which you are seeing live right now on your screens. Then we also have a 15 minutes time frame basis strategy, and then we also have 6 EMA based strategy, which works on multi time frame. One is on 5 and one is on 15. You can subscribe to our strategy and let your system do the trading instead of you sitting before the systems and get emotional. This helps you achieve control over your emotions. Let me check if there are any chats or any messages going around. Hi, hi, hi. Sorry, I didn't see the messages here. This is what keeps happening. Okay, 1 second. I think the exit signal has come, and hence the market. Let me refresh this. It should have exited ideally. Uh, yes, it exited. As you can see, we have made a loss. I think 8 rupees loss was mm, confirmed here. The refresh is taking a bit of time. Yes, We exited. Not sure there is some issue with trade owner yesterday because as you can see, exactly happened at 9:40 with a 8 rupees loss. Everything is taken care by the system. That is the best of the yeah. Sorry for late reply. I will be sharing the link. Give me a moment. I'll be sharing the 15-minute strategy link as well as the 5 minutes. Oh, 5 minutes as well. I'll be sharing. For some reason, my chat is not appearing in my screen, so I will have to move and do that. Hence the delay. I'll share the strategy links. Any questions that you have, you can uh, message me here. I'm not sure which number are you asking, Sai. You can reach me. I'll mute myself for the time being. Once we have another signal, we will update you. There is some issue here. It has exited, but it is not showing the data, updated data. Guys, we are facing some minor issues with the Tritron displaying the data, so you'll have to bear it with us. But the 6 EMA generated a short signal at 9:45, 48 300 put 339 rupees. It has taken. We'll be watching it. Let me switch to see if I can chat. I have a problem with the chatting here. I guess. Let me see if I can log in and chat. I'm unable to view the chat over here. Okay, I'll post here. Hi all. Apologies. Apologies for the delay. If I do this stuff here, this is another problem. Yep, I think it has now got set. Yes, everything is updated properly now. If you can see, we exited the first trade of the short trade. It gave around 8 rupees loss. It exited by itself. And then we have another short trade here generated at 48 300 put and 339 it took 334 it is right now working on. We had till now two signals generated. Let's see what happens. So, see, the best part of this particular thing is that you don't need to sit before the system, analyze what is happening. Whatever is happening, the system takes care of everything. I am not able to see this. Let's see what's happening on the 15 minutes chart. Till now, we don't have any signals, new fresh signals generated. That is the beauty of this strategy. It doesn't generate major signals when the market is sideways. If you look yesterday, we had a buy, we had exited in loss, and then another buy, made profit and closed. If I go back to yesterday's trades, these were the trades yesterday. Both of them we had minor profits. See, we 162 at 945 it entered, and 192 it exited, and then there was another one trade 125, 135. That's it, close for the day. Even on sideways, we end up making money. For now, we don't have any signal yet on 15 minutes. We are moving to the 5 minutes to see what is happening. We just had one buy call in the 5 minutes, which failed, given 8 rupees loss, and then we are holding, waiting to see. The 6 minute 6 EMS strategy is still in testing phase. We'll give that for public use at a later stage. Once we are sure it is working, great. For now, we have the 5 minutes and 15 minutes, which has been tested for the last 2 to 3 years, and now we are giving it for the public use. I'll be back with audio whenever there is a signal that is generated and whenever there is an exit. Meanwhile, you can watch the signals to. I'll be on mute. Short signal got generated on the 5 minute time frame, and we should see a yes, we should see a trend that is executed somewhere. Here, yes, the put has been taken. In 11 the signal, the shot has been taken, the trade has been taken automatically without anyone's interference. That is what I'm talking about. If you subscribe to strategy, the video works and then the system take care of